How to use BDC3 function to make a dealer key. Method 1. Generate using original factory key. Remove the cable soldered on the original key. Then solder MCU cable to the original factory key used for generation. After soldering, return to Key Tool Plus interface. Click Yes, generate using original factory key. Click OK to load the saved service file. After checking the wiring again, click Right.
Get it now from ABKEYS.com.
Finished.